Opa.
Not bad, huh? Private breakfast. Private resort.
All these tables for ourselves.
50-bed hostel turned into a 3-house posada. We're the only ones in for a whole week.
They got breakfast ready just for little old us.
VIP.
Little chocolate.
VIP. I said VIP. VIP.
Really good. One of the best Brazilian kind of desserts, actually.
Perfect dessert. Dessert for breakfast.
Nice. You should try with cheese, though. Better.
Find the boat. Pretty good. Somebody's drink there and he's having a ball cleaning it up. His friend's like, what? You gonna party without me? Oh no, she's too young to drink. Look at that little baby boy. That big mama, she likes to drink. Mama like her drink. Get in there, mama. O que está acontecendo aqui comigo? Nham, 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 nham.
We did it! We're number one!
It wasn't easy.
Lost a lot of good men out there. Face down in the mud.